Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. This video was requested by Kumare. Yeah. She was requesting me to cook turon or mukbang turon and banana Q. So I have bananas there, and let's start cooking and eating later. Hope you will enjoy this video, and please watch it till the end. Let's go cook our banana Q and turon. My favorite is the turon. Let's go. This is the lumpia wrapper. So I'm going to open it and remove it one by one. Yan. Siyempre, of course, nahihirapan ako maghiwalay-hiwalay ng mga ng mga lumpia wrappers na to. Ang hirap.
I get only 5 pieces.
Wash our bananas because it's going to be bulok. And they're big. These bananas are big. Yeah, look, they're big. These are the bananas, and I'm going to hiwalay the ballots first of the lumpia. So now I'm going to hiwalay the mga lumpia wrapper. It's a struggle. Hirap na hirap talaga ako maghiwalay-hiwalay itong mga to. Siyempre yung iba napunit, yung iba hindi perfect, yung iba ewan ko ba, binasa ko na lang yung towel tapos pinatong uli. Yan o, ang daming sira, kainis. Ewan ko ba, hindi ako marunong siguro. Struggle is real. Ayan, nakahiwalay na rin nata ako ng mga limang balat. Now I'm going to peel the bananas. I only need 5 or 6 bananas because 4 I'm going to make it as turon and the other one is banana Q. Yan. That one I'm going to make it as banana Q. And this 4 I'm going. Which one is a little bit hard pa? This one. This one is hard pa. Sige. This 4 is for turon. Yes. Let's cut them. I'm going to cut the bananas. I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces each para hindi masyadong makapal pag inano ko sa turon. Yan. Sige, cut. Dapat nasa harapan ng camera. Yan. Cut it into 3 pieces. Balot the turon. Let's make this one, and then you put banana 2 pieces. Yes, you put 2 pieces banana and put a little bit sugar inside. And close it up and get water so it will stick. Water. Yan. Para dumikit. Yan. One banana. Use this one, the one with the butas. Let's try. Yan. 1, Let's put 3 pieces there. Okay? Para hindi naman siya masyadong kulang. And a little bit sugar. And the one with butas, we put it here. So when we close it, it will not open. Okay, it's opening up. Let's put some water to close it up. Hopefully it will not open later when I fry it. Right? Wrong. Okay, put it there.
Okay, we'll transfer this to the other one. Yes. Here is it. One banana. Let's put this in here. And a little bit sugar. Sugar. It's good now.
To try with one first. Let's put sugar. There's the milk. Anyway. Patunaw muna ng sugar. Okay, let's wait for the... Yeah. Yes, the sugar is now ready. And we'll put the bananas in. Then, so the sugar should stick on the banana. This is the finished product of my banana Q and my turon. Yan. Ano? Masarap ba? Yes, masarap. Yan. Ako na yan. Okay, let's start eating my sunog na banana Q. I only fry one because ako lang kakain. Yeah. And I made turon. Turon this one. Overripe na. And I don't want to eat kasi banana Q. I just eat the banana raw. Mas masarap siya. Kasi ito pinirito na. So oily. Mas prefer ko ang turon than banana Q. Mas gusto ko ang turon. Ito okay lang. Hindi ko masyadong pinirito. Kasi sunog ng asukal ko. Paborito ko kainin talaga, merienda is turon. If we are in the office, palagi ako nagpapabili ng turon. Mura lang, 7 pesos ata isang turon. Hindi pa ako mapapaso, oh. Since ngayon, ay, wala na palang lockdown. Ay, madaming oil. Yan. Turon naman kakainin ko na ngayon. Tapos na yung banana Q. Turon na ha. Paborito ko talaga ang turon. Kahit ma-oil siya, paborito ko siya. Masarap. Yummy. Ano? Nagawa pa pala ako ng kape. Ayan, may kape na ako. Kanina nakalimutan ko kape ko.
Kasi instant ba?
Yes, instant.
lagi ko ay tweet ba?
Yes. That's why I'm asking pa. Utsoy pa. And,
이게 tweet 우트나오 야채 안사 드라이빈 현재가 있고.
oo nga. At ko nga. Okay, tuloy natin ang pagkain ng atin. Turon.
Ang sana ito Joshua. Curry.
Matamis. Masyado ng hinog yung banana.
Ang sarap.
Dapat hindi ko na nilagyan ng asukal. Kahit walang langka. Gusto ko yan.
呀，等了啦，这个 inbox 关啦。
Ay, malapit na maubos. Hope you enjoyed watching my turon and banana Q vlog. And hope you enjoyed eating with me. And see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. To all my friends, thank you for watching and thank you for the support. See you next time. Bye!